Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to quickly reset this Marshall Emberton II speaker. This will help if you have some troubles with the connection to your devices. But first, don't forget to tap on the subscribe button to see more helpful content. So let's get started. First of all, you need to turn on the power on this speaker. You need to find this gold button, press on it, and hold till you hear the voice signal until these indicators will light up red. Great, now the power is on and we need to reset the speaker. To do this, we need to press on this Bluetooth button and hold it till this red indicator starts blinking. Then we need to wait till this indicator stops blinking and this scale of charge stops blinking too. It will take you about 15 seconds. Now we see that it is still blinking. We need to wait till it stops blinking. Great, now our speaker is reset and we can start to try to connect it to our devices. That's all, thank you for watching this video.